We will discuss about PrivacyInfo.xcprivacy file. It is a file used in the Xcode projects to manage privacy related information and permissions for the various features and APIs used in our iOS and macOS apps. This file is typically contains the description of why our app may need to access certain user data or device resources. Each entry in the PrivacyInfo.xcprivacy file corresponds to a specific privacy related capability or permission in your app. These entries help inform users why our app is requesting access to their data or device resources when they install or use your app. This information is crucial for transparency and building trust with users as it explains the purpose behind each permission request. Nowadays, users are getting these type of warnings after uploading the build. So to solve these warnings, developer needs to add privacy info manifest file within the Xcode project, and they need to provide the reason type for the specific API usage. This is our Xcode project. You need to create a privacy manifest file. You need to search from there. Just select this file and click on next. Name that file privacy info. Select the target and click on create. Now this file is created. You just need to click on plus icon and click on privacy access API types. Just expand this. Now click on plus. Firstly, you need to select the API type. Like if I will select the user defaults, then I need to mention the API reason for that specific API type. There is a list of API reasons. We need to select the API reason from there. Like this has to be selected as this will be mentioned as this will be the same as per our app functionality, like this. Like you can add multiple accessed API types from there. Like this. For this we also have to create API reasons. You can select from there disk space, like this.